For our web application, we decided to make a neighborhood safety tracker for group 4. So here we have the team. We have 6 dedicated software developers, but we just have me, Samuel Pearson, and Alfie here presenting. To give a quick intro into our project, we have a web application that allows users to view and report crime complaints in the New York City area. It acts as a personalized safety tool, letting users receive alerts around their selected addresses that they've saved. And we provide a platform for users to stay informed about crime complaints based on their areas of interest. Users also will be able to search through these crime complaints by filters such as location, crime type, and date range. And we're using uh, NYC complaint data from the New York City datasets website. Some core features we're going to add is a user dashboard where we can see areas that the user has saved that they want to monitor their respective data, along with user comments for specific complaints. Users can also search through the crime database and with all the complaints, as well as save locations with tags for work and home, and an alert dashboard for real-time notifications about new crime complaints around those saved locations. Some extra features we'd like to add, if we have time, would be an address space search. So users could tag a street address or a location and then find all the complaints around them, and a community feed as well. So we can have sort of like a social media for uh, crime complaints around a neighborhood. If any users have more information about a crime that they want to add onto a complaint, they're welcome to do so.
Okay, so what we see here is a couple of our conceptual UIs. The final product probably won't look like this, but as you can see, we have things like save locations, new alerts. We have an incident map that maps out where the incidents happened. And in the bottom, you see the alerts, so the user can get real-time updates on any particular event happening in the area. So the target demographic will primarily be home buyers and renters. These are people who are making a long-term location decision. They're going to stay there for a while. Families monitoring places for their kids, tourists and travelers, like just so they could quickly look up the location before visiting a new area. And some of our competitors would be CrimeSpot. They provide a crime map linked to many sources around the country, so it's not just New York. Neighborhood Scouts, neighborhood safety scores, and crime stats by address, kind of like a little bit like what we're doing. Safe Map is an NYC specific crime heat map with date and category filters pulled from NYPD data. It's actually using the same data set that we're using. So the links are below in case you want to check them out. So why us? We think that the biggest differentiator is personalization. So the saved location dashboard, we have a saved location dashboard with personalized trend alerts. We have a user dashboard with a comment section. None of the web competitors have the concept of saved locations with custom tags. So they don't have things like, oh, you save a location as work, home, and school, and you get certain features around that. The goal is to create a feature which turns like a crime map into something users want to return to daily. Some more things about why us. Our strengths, like we talked about, is our personalized tags. So personalized saved locations with custom tags like home, school, work. our user dashboard and comment section. Our weaknesses are that like the NYPD data doesn't update often, so the alerts will not be in real time. I looked it up. It's probably like quarterly they update their data, so it's going to be really slow. But an opportunity could be to expand to other NYC open data sets for deeper data value and to get more frequented, updated data. Some threats to us would be the low barrier to replication and public sensitivity around crime data. So, depending on whether a user would even want to share something about themselves or what they know about the location, might be a bit sensitive. Um, and that's it. Thank you.